Given p of x equals x squared minus 3x, find and simplify p of a plus h minus p of a. So, p of a plus h minus p of a means that we substitute a plus h in place of x. So, a plus h quantity squared minus 3 times a plus h. That's just the p of h, a plus h. Minus now p of a. P of a means to replace x with a, so it would be minus a squared minus 3a. Let's simplify. This is the expansion of a plus h quantity squared. That would be a squared plus 2ah plus h squared. Now we distribute the negative 3 times a is negative 3a. Negative 3 times h is negative 3h. We're subtracting this binomial, so we rewrite each of those terms with the opposite sign of what they currently have in the parentheses. So it would be negative a squared plus 3a. A squared minus a squared sums to 0. Then we have 2ah. We have h squared, so plus h squared. Negative 3a plus 3a sums to 0. And then we have minus 3h. So that's the simplified form of p of a plus h minus p of a.